Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the rainbow haze effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then we're going to scroll down to find Rainbow Haze. Click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're going to look at the effect and see what it actually does. Okay, so we can increase the filter and the speed, but it already is increased, and we can also add keyframes to it. So let's actually increase the length of the effect. I feel like I'm having a heart attack right now. Okay, there we go. So this effect actually only kind of is activated once it sees movement. So as you can see here, you don't really see the effect too much, but as my sister's coming closer and closer to the camera, trying to catch the iPhone, you can see that the effect is actually on. And that is the rainbow haze effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching.